What's up, guys? It's your boy Kid Friendly Bamboo 88 back again with another banger video. Today, ladies and gentlemen, we are playing Jailbreak. We do not have our fan in right now, but we do have him in Jailbreak server. And oh my god, I'm stuck! No! Oh dear god! Oh my goodness! Oh my dear god! Anyways. I'm also in my Discord server, so if you guys want to add me, I am Roblox Vok, hashtag 5952, and other than that, yeah, I'm doing a video. Mostly, this video is actually going out to a few people. It's going out to my friend Mr. Penguin, it's going out to him and a few other people. So in today's video, guys, we're gonna be doing some trolling, I guess. So let's get started. And if you are not subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications to be notified of when I upload a new video, and comment down below what you think I should do next. But otherwise, let's go find some criminals. Would you like to say anything, Tommy? Because you're in the call with me, so. Oh my god. Dude, what the heck? Oh my god. Oh my god, what the heck? I just went flinging, guys. I am so bad. I went flinging. Lol, that's funny. Now I don't have to use, and just so you know, guys, in my past, 163 videos, I think, I don't even know my count anymore, I've used to use the, Roblox, recording thing up in the, up here, so I would go here and I would record there, but I used to actually use that, which didn't record audio, it didn't record, it just recorded my screen, so I had to talk in game. So this is a new recording software that I'm using. It was also, shout out to Tommy. He was, shout out to Tommy right here, my guy. Tommy5982. He kind of told me about this, and it's pretty cool. But so far, I do not see any prisoners really out. I mostly see cops. But, if you guys do want to... Oh, there's one criminal, but that's besides the point. Shoot, my Bugatti just spawned. Dang it, I lost my Bugatti. Crap. So, as I was saying, guys, Tommy, go subscribe to Tommy, his channel, if he gives me the link, his channel will be linked in the description down below, and you can go subscribe to him and check out some of his videos. Otherwise, I'm just gonna probably be driving around, maybe. I might switch to the prisoner team just to get the Bugatti guys, and then we might just go robbing, maybe. I don't know. We might go robbing. I don't know. There was a prisoner there, but let's go rob, I guess. Hold on. Let me lock my car, because it's like a car, so I kind of have to lock it, and then once we switch to the prisoner team, we can escape. There we go. We're in the prisoner team now. We can escape. Tommy, are you even still there? Are you serious? You're watching it right now? Anyways, guys, otherwise, I think this kind of works out. I don't know if it works out for live streaming or not, my guys. I don't know. My friend Tommy says no. But otherwise, let's go rob a few places in, Jailbreak. And, I'm doing the Jailbreak 1 billion update. I know I haven't uploaded in a few past couple days. I've kind of been busy with school, and also, like, I've been busy with school, friends, and I haven't really been able to upload because, ordinary reasons have been going on. So, otherwise, I would, care because, it's just, an update. Tommy, what do you want to say about your channel? Do you have anything to say about your channel? Anything? His channel is very cringy. Go watch it. You're just like, my... anyways, guys, otherwise, I think we can record this video for a good hour, maybe a good hour or so, and publish it. Please do, because I want to start live streaming too, not just recording videos. Most of the stuff that YouTube provides requires that stuff, remember? So it kind of requires that stuff for flipping, Wait, are you serious? There's a thing for YouTube gaming. Wait, give me the link to it, because I do have the Microsoft store. Oh, okay. Guys, we're gonna figure out this real quick. We're gonna hide under the wire just so any, cops can't find us. Because we don't want to be... Yeah, I don't want to be found, so I'm kind of hiding myself. So let's go to the, does this record everything on your screen? Oh my god. Okay, guys, so we're gonna get the, Microsoft store up, if we can. It's very slow. No. Oh, Tubecast? Tubecast. It's Tubecast. On YouTube gaming. Maybe. Let me see. And AirPlay, yeah. It's cast YouTube videos on your smart TV now. I don't know. I'm gonna find it though, guys. Hold on. Let me just, I don't know. Let me find out if I can find it. YouTube gaming download. I spelled it wrong, but it's okay, I spelled it wrong. Crud. YouTube Red was interpreted. No. YouTube Gaming. There we go. There's YouTube Gaming. And then I can go live, but once I hit, I'm on the YouTube, oh my god, I can go live! I can go live! Wait, can I seriously go live right now? No, because it says set up an recording software. Yeah, and then I hit go live. And then it brings me to this, but I have normal YouTube. And then, see? It brings up my chat. But how do I start it? How do I just say, do I just say go live? How do I go live? Wait, what do I, The title, I guess. LOL? Jailbreak. LOL Roblox jailbreak? I don't know. Schedule time. Yeah. I don't know, maybe. I'll think about it. Yeah. I might live stream today then. I don't know. Oh my god, I'm stuck. Anyways, guys, like I said, if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button on my channel and join the Pack Squad, and also comment down below what I should do for a future video, guys. I am open 24/7, I guess. Oh wait, I forgot. Yeah, so now I might be recording a lot, so it's pretty awesome. I don't know if you guys, I don't have a webcam, so I'm sorry if you don't see my face. I haven't really, I've published my face out to my YouTube channel a few times. That was when I was doing vlogging, but otherwise, yeah, Tommy kind of helped me out with this, and it's pretty cool. So, thank you, Tommy, for doing this for me, man. I do appreciate it. Now I can get my voice heard and everything out to to the public and stuff, and it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. So, anyways, guys, yeah, comment down below, and we might be live streaming today. I don't know what time we'll be live streaming. Tommy, am I all set for the live streaming since I downloaded this? Okay, hold on. Sorry, I got a notification. Um, if you guys want to know how I live stream, ask Tommy. He's the one that kind of helped me out with the live streaming issue, I guess. And the record. Yeah, I know, like, the recording software and everything was due to him. I think we're just gonna drive around as a prisoner, though. And just because, we're not really doing much. We're just kind of just driving around on an ATV right now. I do want to test that theory, though. I might be doing a myth-busting series, maybe, soon in the channel. I don't know. I don't think I can do this. No, I can't. Crud. Sure, we can do that. I mean, it's up to you. I don't really mind. Do you? I think I'll do a live stream first, and then I think I'll do an. I think what I'll do is I'll do I'll do a live stream first, and then after I do a live stream, you can maybe do the live stream the next day, and I join in maybe, and we go on from there. I have this thing set for 15 minutes, so after my 15 minutes are up, I think it's gonna stop recording. I think. Look, it says 15 minutes. Oh, you don't even see my screen. Do you see it? Yeah, it says 15. Oh, it's some. Wait, did I not get the right thing? But this will record my audio and stuff. Nice. So, like, otherwise, I'm all set to, like, live stream and record. like I can now live stream